My name is Kilian Nyambu, Director Public Education within the National Cohesion and Integration Commission. Today we are privileged to be at Alliance High School, where we are hosting as a commission the National Debate for Peace Championship. This debate is a culmination of the various competition which started from school level, they went to the sub-county level, to the county level, and now all the winners in different counties throughout the country, they are converging here to be able to have the finals for the National Amani Club Debate Championship. Now, the Debate Championship is one of the three national activities which Amani Club hosts. And of course, Amani Club is a platform which brings together the Ministry of Education, because all schools belong to the ministry, all the learners belong to the ministry. It's a partnership of the Teachers Service Commission, because all the teachers who are the patrons of Amani Club, they all of them are employees of the Teacher Service Commission. But of course, the National Cohesion and Integration Commission, because of course, matters to do with peace building, matters to do with the alternative dispute resolution, matters to do with cohesion in this country, they are domiciled under the National Cohesion and Integration Commission. So it is this partnership which now spearheads peace clubs in the entire country. So we want to see our learners, as they are practicing Amani Club, whatever places they are coming from, to ensure that there's inclusivity in terms of the different ethnic communities where they're coming from, in terms of the different religions which they're coming from, the different classes. Then, of course, we are using this Amani Club as a platform to inculcate values, the 8 values which Amani Club is trying to ensure that our learners can be able to embrace. We are talking about the values of peace, values of unity, the values of love, values of responsibility, values of respect, values of social justice, values of patriotism, and the values of integrity. These are very critical values to ensure that we are going to have responsible future citizens. Besides the principles of excellency, we are also trying to ensure that our learners can be able to give back to the community. This through them dedicating their time to engage in community work, to help the society where they are living. And then finally, to ensure that the entire school is incorporated, right from the students, right from the teachers, right from the BOM members, right from the non-teaching staff, and even the members of that community. So that is the hallmark of Amani Club. And I want to encourage all schools, all institutions, being religious, being civil society, they could be able to borrow these principles and establish peace structures, peace platforms within their respective establishments to ensure that our country remains peaceful, it remains safe, and it's prosperous.
It is with great honor that I join you today as we mark the beginning of this debate. Let me start by saying that you as young people are people that are not the leaders of tomorrow, but the leaders of now. So you are the current, not the future leaders. So as you debate, as we interact with all the students, let you know that you are the leaders of now. Peace is one of the enablers, one of the foundations of the Kenya Vision 2030. And of course, I know we are not yet there, but in the next 5 years, if you do your work, if you do your job very well as a student, if you do your contribution very well, we are going to reach that level of highly industrialized country, enjoying a high quality of life in a clean and secure environment. Now, that one cannot happen if we do not have the environment of peace. Peace is as an enabler, peace is a foundational upon which we build all the other achievements and all the other progress of a country. We can only know peace through entertaining, through accommodating, through appreciating diversity, through appreciating that all of us do not come from the same backgrounds. You know, all of us come from different backgrounds, and those backgrounds are not criminal, or are not evil, or are not bad. So wherever you come from, it's a good place. Wherever you come from, doesn't matter. What matters is the substance, is the content that you appreciate, or that you embrace, or the ideas that you entertain. So as a student, I want you to know that we would like you to appreciate, we would like you to embrace diversity, National Cohesion and Integration Commission, or NCIC, is about three things: diversity, equality, and inclusivity. You can call it DEI: diversity, equality, and inclusivity. So we want to use our diversity as a country as a means of developing, as a means of achieving our vision, as a means of developing all together. So any county that we're coming from matters to us. Any place we're coming from matters to us. So what we want to say is that as you continue to debate, as you continue your debate, know that NCIC would like you to behave or to act as a peace ambassador. So diversity is our strength as a country. So we want you to be peace ambassadors. We want you to appreciate each other. We want you to embrace discussion, embrace dialogue, embrace different divergent of opinions. There's a guy called Aristotle who you must have come across, who was saying that an educated mind, and I know you are going through education, an educated mind should be able to entertain differing opinions. So one of the reasons why we have conflicts and therefore no peace is because people are not willing to entertain the opinions of others. So let someone state their opinion. You can also state yours, and as an educated mind, be able to entertain the two worlds. That's why as areas now, we are training you to debate. You know when you debate, one side is having this opinion, the other side is having this opinion. So you just appreciate, you just entertain the two debates or the two opinions. Through these discussions, we know that we are going to promote peaceful coexistence amongst your students in school. So when you go back, and be the one who is telling them, no, don't fight here, don't take this direction. We can take this approach. We can send our petition to the teachers. We can talk to our teachers. We can talk to our prefect and all that. Or nowadays, I'm told they're called president, or the president and whatever cabinet is there. So what we are saying is that this debate must be able to help you as a student to be a peace ambassador, to promote peace, to promote peaceful coexistence, and also to help the nation to develop. And of course, at the end of it all, I want you to be the people that will be used to ensure that the whole country and the whole world is peaceful and stays together as a nation. And of course, Kilian, now, this is just now at this point, but to just officially announce that the championships have now begun. And may God bless you.
Kalabanda.